Alright, so we're working on a 2010 Nissan Versa. The brake line, I guess I forgot to do it when I started here, but let me see here. This is the brake line. It goes in here. These are 10mm heads. When it was leaking here on the old line behind this, I just broke it off. You can get a socket onto it way easier. Soak this down with some WD PB Blaster. The line runs through this clip. Over here, the wheel. There's another clip in here. Holds it in place up to here. I did the same thing on this side. Broke it. Get a socket to it. It's easier if you're going to replace the whole line anyways. 10mm. Just back it out slow. Soak it down.